In this video, we'll learn to use the cart system in the Uniform Shop Online cloud system. If we go back to our admin screen, you can see that there's a cart option here. It's also available at the top here, which will show you how many items are in the cart. If you remember from our POS video, that's where we added the hat and the shorts into the cart. So from this point, once they're in the cart, you've got the choice to either edit what's there, clear it out. You can add more items from here, or obviously still from the POS screen. But the main thing is at the end, you've got the checkout option. So say we were in the edit here and we said the person actually only wanted one hat, we can easily go in here, update that. And with the shorts, you can change the quantity. You can also change the size if you choose. And you see that updates all that. Now, if you did want to add another stock item, you can click there to do it, but as I said, it's usually done via the POS screen to make it as easy as possible. The checkout, once you've finished and they're happy with their order, you can click here. This is where you can fill out the details of the person that's made the purchase. It's up to you what you fill in here. You can leave all of this empty if you like. It's just if it's going to be required to fulfill the order later. So say I'll just put Ross as my name. My student's name is Harry. Let's say the class is 1, 2. I could leave a phone number, email if I choose, but let's just go with that. Now this is where you can specify if they paid credit card, cash, or direct deposit. So let's say credit card, and if they've paid, so has paid basically means have you processed the payment or have they handed you the cash? So you could say not paid, and they're planning to pay when they pick it up, and the system will alert you to that fact. So when you've got your picking slip, you'll actually be able to see that the customer hasn't actually paid yet, so you can charge them there and then and change the status to paid. So in this case, let's say that I have paid, but let's say with the shipping, the choices are they can, if it's has stock like it is, means that they actually have the stock now. They've bought it in the store. They're taking it away. So if we had a case like this, if they paid, or it doesn't matter how they paid, but if they have actually paid for it and they have the stock, the order is over. It's complete. Nothing to worry about. But say it needs to be sent to Harry's class when it's picked, we can choose that option. You also have post stock, but that's only if they actually want it posted to their address rather than pick it up. And so then you can save the order or save and print. Save and print obviously shows the invoice after you save it if you want to print it out straight away. For now, we'll just save it and I'll go into the invoices later. So it says orders saved and it's put us back into the POS screen ready for the next order, and you can see it's cleared the cart too, so you're ready to start with another customer. And if you quickly go into orders, you will see there's the order I just created then, and you can see it's paid, not sent. So you can see in this list easily, I made one before for a test, that you can see what you've got to do. But we'll go into the order screen in the orders video, which you can click up here to see.